So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this black ceramic 5-piece bathroom accessories set. So inside of this nice box that they sent it in with nice handles is a 5-piece bathroom set. So let's slide it out of this. Okay, there we go. Slides right out. That's it for inside there. And then we have everything we need. So we have a soap dispenser. Very nice. Nothing on it, no branding, no labeling, just a plain black soap dispenser. Then we have a little dish for like soap. And we have a cup for whatever you may need it for, whether it's toothbrushes or hairbrushes. We have another cup exactly like it. Then a toothbrush cup. This one's actually designed for your toothbrushes. It has the hole in the bottom for the water to come out. So this one's for your toothbrushes. These could be for other things in your bathroom. That's it for the unboxing. So these are the 5 pieces you would get, from the soap dispenser to the soap tray to these two, and for your toothbrushes. Everything you should need in a nice black color, and they are all 5 ceramic. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.